Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make salmon patties two ways. You can make these delicious patties in a pan on the stovetop or bake them in the oven. Even more good news! These delicious patties are perfect for Paleo and Whole30 diet. So start by preheating your oven. Line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Place the salmon fillets in the center, skin side down. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil and season with garlic salt and ground pepper. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on their thickness, or just until cooked through and flaky. Remove from the oven and allow it to rest for a bit. Flake the salmon with 2 forks, discarding the skin and any bones, then transfer to a bowl. Heat oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add diced onion, chili, garlic, and sauté for about 4 minutes or until soft and golden. Remove from the heat and place into the mixing bowl with the salmon flakes. Add the almond and coconut flour, eggs, mustard, parsley and chives. Season with sea salt and ground pepper. Stir well to combine. Take about 1 large tablespoon of mixture and form it into patties. Depending on their size, you should have around 10 to 12 patties. Next, there are 2 ways of cooking the salmon patties. You can either fry them or bake them, and I'll show you both ways. Preheat the oven over medium-low heat and drizzle with oil. Add the salmon patties to the pan without overcrowding it and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and cook through. If your patties brown too fast, reduce the heat. Remove the cooked patties to a paper towel lined plate and repeat with the remaining salmon patties. Now, the oven method is less time consuming and maybe a bit healthier too. I have the oven preheated at 400 Fahrenheit 200 Celsius. On a baking sheet, arrange the salmon patties, leaving a bit of space in between. Lightly spray with cooking oil spray. I use avocado oil for baking. Bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. We've got the baked and the fried ones. Now let's taste them. Really good. There's not much difference in terms of taste. Try them both ways and let me know your favorite. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!